I'm going to show you how you can use CSS to design a really cool custom dashboard to make your account look different. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to make sure that you're using Google Chrome. So make sure that you are using Google Chrome, and then you will want to get this Google Chrome extension called Visual CSS Editor. And I can add that link below for you, or I can send that link to you as well. But this is a free Chrome extension. And so you want to make sure that you have this. And then what you'll do is you'll go into your Go High Level account just like this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to select that Chrome extension on the top right hand corner right here. So it's this yellow 3 dots. And then what it's going to do is it's going to let us create our own custom CSS. So what I can do is I can select maybe this whole sidebar right here. So I can select this, and then I can go to backgrounds, and then I can select gradient. And as you can see, it's changing the color on the left side of the screen. So you can go through all of these different colors that are available. You could do a single color if you just wanted it to be a solid color. There's a lot of things that you can do in here. And this tool makes it really easy to do, because once you have a look that you like, then what you do is you select export, and it gives you this code right here. So you can copy this code and then add it into your Go High Level account in the company settings, and it will change the code for you to look exactly how you have it created here. So if you end up not liking this and you just want to restart, you can refresh. And then again, you press this Chrome extension on the top right-hand corner, and you can come in here and you can start really customizing this to make it look however you want. Now I'll press refresh again because maybe I want this to be in the, let's say, marketing section, and I want to change the colors of this up here. You got to be on that page first, and then again open the Google Chrome extension, and then now you can hover over these things, select it, and then change whatever you want. So typically people like to change this side color right here. And I really like the gradients, but you can come over here, change the text size, you can change the borders, anything like that. But I'll select background. I really like the gradients, and I can scroll through here and find one that I think matches or one that I like. Okay, so maybe this is the one I like right here. So I will leave that there, and then I'll select over here, and I'll change the background on this one as well. So I'll come here, I'll select gradients, I'll scroll down to whatever the name of that one that I did was, which now I forget. So I'll just switch it to this inbox color right here. And then here I can select this one, change the background, and then I'll go back over here and I'll change the background on this one again to match these colors over here. So I'll select background, select gradients, and then let's say that you want these to be a different color. Select this tag right here, and then select text. I can change the color of these different tags. So maybe I want them to be white, and I want this one to be white as well. So you can come in here and do that for each of these. And let's say this is exactly how I want it to look. I've got it how I want it. Then what I can do is select export. And what I'll do is I'll copy this code right here. So I'll copy that. And then I'll go ahead and refresh my screen. And then I'll switch to the agency view. And I'll come down to settings. And then I will select company, and I'll scroll down. And then where it says custom CSS, I'll paste that code in, and then I'll select update company, and then I'll refresh my screen. And as you can see, I have the new dashboard that I created, and that is how it will look for all of my sub accounts as well. And anytime you want to go back, maybe I don't like it anymore, or I want to change something, I just select settings, select company, and I can delete all of this out, and then select update company, refresh my screen, and now I'm back to exactly what I had before. So that's how you can start messing around and creating a custom CSS dashboard.